unboxing a case speaker, the motorcycle speaker that gets mounted onto the handlebars of the motorcycle. Let's see what we got. So first impression out of the box, it's a good, solid, clean looking speaker. This thing does have Bluetooth that you can hook it up to. It also has a SD card that you can put in to play whatever music you want, and it has AM FM radio. These are the parts that you mount onto the handlebar, and then it sits right up on the handlebar depending on where you have it mounted. It does have a connector here that you can plug into, or you can connect it straight to the battery with this.